everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at Alamo Orlando Airport Terminal B. Some of those exotics there, I'm not sure if they're part of Enterprise, but the large SUVs, more SUVs over here. We got a truck, a couple Expeditions on the right, Jeep. Folks are taking one of the larger SUVs. A Wrangler's coming in. Apologize, guys. I'm starting to lose my voice again. What do we got down here? Okay, luxury they have on the right. Coming up. What do they got? So they got an Audi. Is that a Q7? Mercedes CL8 250. So I think these are Q5, Q7. Nope, two Q5s. We got an Audi A3. A couple Mustang convertibles. And a couple SUVs down there. Oh, there's a Camaro. A couple pickup trucks here. See a Miata in the returns. Yeah, look at that, guys. I haven't seen one of those in a while. Must still be a few of them left. Okay, we got a couple of Jeeps. It's middle of the week, so actually this selection's not that bad for the middle of the week. And sorry for zigzagging here. We've got the 15 and 8 passenger vans. And then the minivans. Over here we got quite a few Hondas and Toyotas, guys. Siennas and Odysseys, and then a couple Kias. And again, it's middle of the week, yeah, so it's certainly a little thin on this side here. Coming up. Take a look anyway. There's a BMW convertible down there. Okay, midsize SUV. We got this Mazda. And some people picking up here. Malibu inbound, Tucson. These are all the midsize. Tucson, Equinox, and yeah, another Equinox. Full size. Looks like maybe a Passat and an Altima. Oh. What do we got over here, guys? Midsize. And then more minivans on the right. Lots of, well, I guess Orlando's always got a lot of minivans. Okay, so these are all midsize here. Try not to get run over. Got this minivan coming through. And there's another BMW down there. There's another one over there. Okay, minivans. Let's go down here, and I think the next row is getting into National. So we can probably wrap things up here in a minute, guys. All right, yeah, we'll just go down this aisle here and wrap things up, guys. Just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, click on that subscribe for more of these updates. And memberships are available if you wish to help support the channel. More details down in the description. Thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.